Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing the primary app. Open it, then hit Recent Apps. This shows active tasks. Once visible, tap the app icon at the top of its card and select Split Screen. This locks that app into the top or left half. Now pick the second app from Recents or the app drawer, and it will occupy the other half. You're doing this so both apps stay active and resizable. This method avoids accidental full-screen switches and keeps multitasking fluid. Once both apps are visible, you can fine-tune how they share space. Grab the divider and slide it to adjust proportions. Aim for half, 1/3, or any custom split depending on your task. To swap an app, tap the app icon in its header and choose Replace, or drag a new app from Recents into that pane. If an app supports it, drag text or images directly across the divider. These steps give you precise control and let you transfer content without switching contexts. To finish, drag the divider all the way to the top or side to exit split screen and return to one app. If an app won't enter split mode or the divider is unresponsive, force stop that app from Settings Apps, then reopen and try again. Restarting your phone often clears lingering issues. Make sure the apps support split screen and that your Oxygen OS is up to date. Older builds or app restrictions are common causes. If problems persist, a quick reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.